Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another rough day here as the price continued to pull back. Now, it's not a crash or anything like that, just still a pullback and nothing too bearish. But that does bring about, I can see, a valid point of, okay, Clay, well, when do things actually become more bearish for you? In your opinion, when would this technical chart start to look more bearish? And that is kind of the line in the sand for me right down here at the 110 mark. And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen, but just to illustrate, kind of my thought process and why that represents a very important level. But if the price were to come down to 110 and then just continue on down, at that point, what would you have? You would quite literally have the price having gone right back inside of that range where it was right there. Or said another way, that would imply that the price consolidated down here, made a huge move to the upside to then just go right back to where it was. Not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Again, I'm not saying that's what's actually going to happen, but that is why in my mind that $110 mark is that very important level of support. And why, as of now, I would just consider this a pullback. Yeah, it'd be great if prices could just go straight up every single day, but that's just not the reality of how the markets work. So at this point, I would just use the terminology pullback. But if the price does break down to that 110 mark, then at that point, I would use the word reversal. That the chart is completely reversed back in the bear's favor. But like I said, for me right now, using the word reversal, I think that's a little bit too premature. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, if there is any sort of attempted movement back to the upside, keep a close eye on 117. And then after 117, keep an eye on that pink line up there, the 200 period moving average, currently valid at, we'll just call it 121.50. But those will be the main technical levels moving forward, so let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.